Hi and welcome to issue 27 of Build Your Own 3D Printer. I've already taken out its packaging. I've got this, I'll show you in a minute. It's a magazine. Got the usual web access code. If you go to www.3dprinter-collection.com, you can find out more there, but I'll show you how it is at the end of the magazine. Making music. So you can print your own guitar, your own drums, playing drums, guitar and keyboard, all 3D printed. Musicians entered visitors at a 2014 3D printer conference in New York. Your own violin, your own flutes, violin. It's can't quite read that word, pronounce that word. Something violin anyway. The tutorial. Doing lines. The eraser tool. So how to use the 3D printer program. Selective laser sintering. And use laser somehow. And this is the parts which we'll be doing. How to fix it. Now this is the I said at the beginning, the web access code. You go to that web access code there, and enter those numbers, that number, and you get all these bits here, like simple train part 3, a comb, tangram puzzle, gyro rings, and this is what's going to be next week, a bearing block. Let's go back quickly and do this. Where is it going to go? So it looks like it's going to go just here, by the looks of things. So if we just cut this open, very easy. Get some bolts out, should be 4. Okay, so if we put 2 of them in there, so how's this going to go? So it looks like that bit goes, and then if I at this bit. I'll just show you how it goes roughly, because I think you get the idea from last week. Then that bit goes on like that, and that goes in there. So it looks like that. Obviously I haven't screwed the nuts and bolts in, but it would look something like that, as it looks like in the picture there. You kind of get the idea. Then I'm guessing then next week it's going to be the bearing block, which is this bit, which will go, well, it'd be like that bit again, I suppose. Yeah, there you go too. See that bit, we go to it's a bit like this bit here, but it will go in there. So that's next week's. So that's what it will look like. I'm slowly getting there, but anyway, that's that. That's a 3D printer, slowly but surely getting there, bit by bit. Thanks for watching. Hope it's not too boring for you, but I'll leave you a picture of a pretty girl playing the piezoelectric violin by Monad. Thanks for watching. Bye.